Hello guys, I'm Navizullah Khan and welcome to the next tutorial. In the last video I generated an APK file and I transferred that file to my mobile application and I installed that application on my Android phone, right? I tested it and there was some problem with this app. So I have to resolve those problem and I will regenerate the APK file again. Now, one issue that I found is that we have put this thing incorrectly. This is our app ID, but we need to put here interstitial add unit ID, right? So what is interstitial add unit ID? I will tell you in a few minutes. You have to visit your AdMob account. You have to log into it. Here is my AdMob account. You can see I earned some money. Today so far is 0.03. As I upload more apps, this earning will increase. My revenue will increase with the number of apps and the time as it goes, right? Because my download will increase with the time. From here in app section, select logo business card maker. Here if you look at this, you can see 29 requests. It means that since no one has installed my app yet, but there is 29 requests to the AdMob to send advertisement to show it on our app. Because I have installed that application on my mobile, so requests were generated from there. It means that I have put everything right, okay, because I am getting requests from my app. So these requests were not shown immediately. It take up to 24 hours to be shown here, or maybe it can take up to 48 hours to be shown here. So you have to make sure that when you install app, when you open it, work on it, so you have to check on AdMob that some requests have been generated. Otherwise it means that your app is not requesting ads from AdMob account, and that is why if you upload it on Play Store, then no ad will show on your app. So you have also to make this confirm, right? I will now create select this option, add units. Here click on add unit, right? Click on this option and here is our interstitial add, right? Select this option and add name. So give it a interstitial add unit. Click on create add unit. So here is our app ID and here is our interstitial add unit ID. We have to copy this and paste it here in a add unit full ID. In a add unit ID we have to put our banner add unit ID, which I have already recorded in the last few tutorials, and here you have to put interstitial add unit ID. So I pasted it here and now it is done. Another mistake, another problem is that when you install this app on your Android phone, it will generate two icons on your home screen. It will look like you have installed this app 2 times. This happens due to this problem. You have to open this file android manifest.xml, which is inside the main folder, right? Here it is. Now double click on it and here we have to remove one thing. There are two intent filters, one is here and another is here, right? So it is generating a problem. We have to remove one of it. We have to remove this intent filter. Now save it, Ctrl S, and we have to generate APK file again. To generate an APK file, click on build option here and click on generate signed bundle APK. Select APK, click on next. Since we have already generated a key, so it is already there. If it is not there in your case, then you have to click on choose existing, and you have to select the key which you have already saved on your desktop. So here is the password which I already remember. I already told you guys that you have to put a password that you can remember and you never forget it. So I already remember my password. I will put it here. I will click on next. Both the option, make sure both the options are selected, and here is a release option selected. So then click on finish. It will take some time and APK file will be generated. APK file has been generated. If you click on this notification, you will see here a locate option. Click on this. It will bring you to the location where our APK file exists. So click on it. It will take some time. Here you can see app release. This is our new. This is our old one because I have renamed it while transferring it to my Android application, and this is the new release, right? I will also rename it, and then I will transfer it to my Android application. I will test it, and after that we will start process of uploading it on Play Store. So I am giving it a name of Logo Maker 2. I will transfer it to my Android phone and I will test it. You also do this and test it before deploying, putting it on a Play Store account.